Hey, I'm Eva, a Swiss traveler who has been fortunate enough to visit many different places on this earth. Recently, however, I've made it my mission to get to know my own country better, Switzerland. As a nature lover, I am fascinated by the Alps and its villages. My ultimate goal is to visit every country in Europe. I'm so excited to share it all with you. And today we're exploring Lauterbrunnen and Wengen. Lauterbrunnen is a picturesque village located in the Bernese Oberland, in the heart of the Swiss Alps. It is home to several waterfalls, including the famous Staubbach Fall and the Trümmelbach Falls. Lauterbrunnen is one of the 6 municipalities in the Lauterbrunnental, also called the Lauterbrunnen Valley. The valley consists of the villages Lauterbrunnen, Wengen, Mürren, Gimmelwald, Stechelberg and Isenfluh. While Lauterbrunnen is nestled in the valley floor, its neighboring towns cling on the surrounding cliffs. The Staubbach Fall at the edge of the village is free of any cost. It's only open during summertime. The rest of the time it's closed due to ice and possible rockfall. With 297 meters, it's the third highest waterfall in Switzerland. In summer, warm winds throw the water, causing it to spread in all directions, which gave the waterfall its name. It's still pretty early, so that's awesome, nobody's here. And now we're going to the Trümmelbach waterfalls. I would suggest you do the same if you want Lauterbrunnen all to yourself. Just keep in mind there will be no or not as much sun as later during the day because Lauterbrunnen is situated in the valley. The name Lauterbrunnen means many fountains or clear springs. That is very true because Lauterbrunnen has a whopping total of 72 waterfalls. Lauterbrunnen is an ideal destination for hikers, mountaineers and base jumpers alike. There are plenty of hiking trails in the area, ranging from easy walks to more challenging hikes. I walked from Lauterbrunnen train station to the Trümmelbach Falls and then took the bus back to Lauterbrunnen and went to Wengen. The source river of Lauterbrunnen is the Weißenlütschine. It flows over the riverbank once a year. With 10 glacier waterfalls located inside of the mountain, the Trümmelbach Falls are one of a kind. The entrance fee, however, is 14 Swiss francs. Once in Lauterbrunnen, you can take a cable car or cogwheel train to the top of nearby mountains for even more spectacular views. I can recommend going to Mennchen or to Wengen like I did. In Wengen, I was mesmerized by the views of the mountains and did another hike, which took me about an hour and 30 minutes. If you enjoy this video and want to see more of beautiful Switzerland and other beautiful places on earth, please make sure to subscribe. I really like Wengen for its views on Lauterbrunnen and right in front of us the Staubbach Fall, which is right here. If you're interested in Grindelwald, I have a video here that I suggest you check out for more information. There also will be a video soon about my favorite hikes in the Jungfrau region, including this one I did in Wengen. At the end of this video, I just want to say please be respectful of nature as a tourist especially. Let's keep this place as beautiful as it is. Thank you for watching and until next time.